Okay, pupils, we are on this Superminds workbook year 2. So workbook 1B, we are on page 84. So we look at activity 1 here. Activity 1, read, dress, and color. So we have Polly and Molly here. So Polly is a female. So if you're trying to look at the head here, so we consider it as female character. And then we have Molly, so which is a male. And then if you try to look at these options here, so we have Polly, so horizontally, so we have red hat for Polly. So later I will use acrylic marker. So this is a acrylic marker brand that I use. So this is the first time I use it. So maybe you already used to it. So we have these 36 colors. So by Dolphin. So we have Polly, red hat, and then we have blue sweater, and then we have pink skirt, we have yellow socks, and then we have red shoes. And then for Molly, he is wearing a blue cap, black jacket, orange jeans, and then yellow t-shirt and green shoes. So now I will start with Polly. So we have a red hat here. So I will color it slowly. So you can pause this video or you can fast forward to the back. So we have Polly here. We have red hat. So make sure you didn't touch the lines. Outside the line, you shouldn't color any color. So this is red hat. You may use color pencils if you wish to. And then we have blue sweater. Okay, in order to make this coloring simple, I won't draw any outside outline here for the uniform that he or she wears. So blue sweater, I will roughly color it with blue color here. So I choose this line and then slightly above the tail. So maybe I put this shape here. So roughly here and then here. And then I just color the remaining. So basically when I color it, the color tend to be uniform. Okay, so next we move on to pink skirt here. So pink skirt. So I will draw the line roughly, okay, maybe here, maybe here. So we have roughly here. So the result is not very good, that's okay, as long as you color the right color. So we have this pink skirt. So to cover this area here, so we just color it based on this shape here. And then we have yellow socks. So the socks, I make it smaller, shorter, so roughly around here. Yellow socks. So basically I just color upper part here on the foot because she wears red shoes. So I just color the red color again. So the same color with the hat. So although this is barefoot, so I just presume or assume it as the shoes. Okay, we have finished poly. So if you wish to color this part here, also can. So you can color its tail also, as well as hands and her face. So next we move on to Molly. So Molly, we have blue cap. So I roughly copy the style of Polly without the flower. So we have blue cap here. So I use the same color as Polly sweater. So I will roughly draw the head. So basically I'm also not very good at drawing, so I try my best. Okay, just roughly draw it, and then I color it according to the color below. Okay, we have Molly, blue cap, finish. And then we have black jacket. Okay, black jacket. So as usual, I will draw just above his hand. So as if he wears a jacket, black jacket. And then slightly same waist with Polly, so roughly around here. and then I draw this. Oh, okay, up to the middle. I mean, sorry, up to the neck here. And then same as left hand side of this creature. So we have here roughly as if he is wearing a jacket, and then up until here. Oh, this black color is bad. Okay, never mind. Oh, okay, I continue to color the remaining. So this color is bad, or very bad. So the ink gradually dry out, although it is new. Okay, we have finished the black jacket here, and then we start to color the jeans. So we have orange jeans here, so I choose orange color. So for jeans, okay, jeans slightly, okay, assume Molly didn't wear any socks, so I will just color until the bottom here. And then this is Molly wearing jeans. Okay, slightly upper. And then until, okay, correct. We just color the remaining. Okay, we have finished orange jeans. So now we move on to yellow t-shirt. So yellow, I use the same color as yellow socks from Poly. So we have here Okay, yellow. Not very good color also, this one. And then we have the last one, green shoes. So green color. Okay, basically we have finished these two coloring. So we have here Polly and Molly. So that's it for today. So take it easy if you are not color it too well. So as long as you pick the right colors and color it, that's already fine. So that's it for this video. So we are on this Super Minds Workbook Year 2. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the rated contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.